Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn even and odd numbers together step by step. Let's pair up objects 2 by 2. If everything has a partner with none left over, the number is even. If one is left all alone, the number is odd. Even numbers split into 2 equal rows. 6 can be 3 and 3. Because both rows match exactly, 6 is even. Even numbers always share fairly into 2 groups. Here is a fast trick. Look only at the last digit. If it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, it is even. If it ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, it is odd. Let's test 7. Make pairs. That gives 3 pairs and 1 dot left over. Since 1 is left alone, 7 is odd. The last digit 7 agrees with us. So even numbers pair up with nothing left over, and odd numbers always have 1 extra. You can pair the objects, or just peek at the last digit. Now you can spot even and odd. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.